I just want to be able to better understand the human nature of human beings. Why? So I can forgive them more quickly and I can accept them and embrace them. Hashem knows what he was doing when he created Scorpios and Leos and Aries and Aquarius. He knows what he's doing. The 12 tribes and the 12 zodiac signs are 12 soul roots of Jewish consciousness. You need every single one of them to be a complete Jewish nation. You need every single one of the 12 signs to encompass a fully healthy Jewish psyche. But it can't all reside in one person. So Hashem puts together, Shevet Achim Gam Yachad, this beautiful, composite of Jewish people and different personalities from all nations, all colors, all shapes and sizes, so that everyone together can figure out how to blend and unite together. And together, it's in the composite, it's in the clash and the rubbing against one another, even sometimes in places where I don't necessarily agree with my brethren. It's in that chikuch, in that rubbing up against one another, that we can actually shine. The only way to make something shine is when you rub it. That's how you bring out the luster and the shine. And so that's what we want to do in this beautiful Jewish numerology program. We want to be able to understand how one personality rubs up against the other, but not for the purpose of staying away, only for the purpose of being able to enable each person's light to shine better. Be'ezrat Hashem.